Lifting UPS batteries safely requires careful planning and the right equipment. Firstly, assess the battery weight. Determine the weight of the individual batteries. Check the manufacturer's specifications or consult a weight chart. Secondly, choose appropriate lifting equipment. For weights up to 50 pounds or 23 kg, use lifting straps. For weights over 50 pounds or 23 kg, consider a lifting harness or a dolly or pallet jack. For very heavy batteries, a forklift may be necessary. Thirdly, prepare the batteries. Remove protective caps or terminals. Ensure the batteries are dry and clean. Now let's examine the specific lifting methods. When using lifting straps, position the straps under the battery. Cross the straps and hook them over your shoulders. Lift with your legs, keeping your back straight. When using a lifting harness, strap the harness around the battery. Attach the harness to a lifting point, for example, a crane hook. Lift the battery slowly and controlled. When using a dolly or pallet jack, position the dolly or pallet jack under the battery. Tilt the jack to raise the battery slightly. Carefully wheel the battery into place. If a forklift is necessary, only use a forklift if properly trained. Position the forks under the battery and lift it carefully. Finally, position and secure the batteries. Guide the batteries into the rack using the straps or harness. Secure the batteries in place using bolts or other fasteners. Remember to prioritize safety. Wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves and safety glasses. Avoid lifting batteries above shoulder height. Do not lift or carry batteries with terminals exposed. Always lift with a partner for weights over 50 pounds or 23 kg. If a battery is too heavy or awkward to lift manually, do not attempt it. Seek assistance from a qualified professional.